plus in 45. They use everything that they knew. News groups, Google, Wikipedia, Ask Jeeves, etc.
Baliktad na, kayong magtuturo sa IT nyo ngayon.
Opo.
Sasabihin, bakit kayo meron kami wala? Eh, ganun eh.
Grace, ang bilis.
Oh. Oh, di ba?
What? Grace. Hindi ba na nagbabuff?
Oh. Bagal ba? Ha? Bagal ba?
Wala na ibibilis.
Ha? Ay, isipin mo, imbis na mamahaling cellphone, China tablet na 2,000 pesos. Oh. Dali mo yan sa Mindanao. Oh. China tablet, 2,000 pesos. Bring that to Mindanao with lots of videos and a good teacher, professor. They'll say, wow.
Sir.
Meron na eh? Loading.
Now loading.
Yeah, there, it's loading. So wait. Ba't tayo dito?
Oh, sir.
Let's try. Your laptop, sir. Let's try.
Baka may firewall setting or something na naka-block.
Not connect. No. It's access.
Nag-play na? Maglo-load pa rin. Sa may wifi issue na kayo.
Pero sir, same lang po kami ng...
Hindi, inubos mo na yung bandwidth ng wifi.
Tama naman po, di ba sir? 2828 TED.
1200.
Opo. 1200.
It's pretty simple stuff. This is what I'm building now. They're called SOUL, Self-Organized Learning Environment.
Wala.
The furniture is designed
Baka may Japanese character na i-insert.
big broadband connection, but in groups.
Pero ito yung common problem ng IT, sir. Ito ang nag-a-appear. Kahit sa mga databases po na ganyan pa rin po.
So you have some network issue na